This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, I'm Srinivas Gorrepati. As part of this video, we are going to see the difference between substitute function and a replace function. Definitely this is going to be one of the interview question on a long term. So let's understand the difference between them. So substitute function, it is going to search a specific string in a main string. If it is available, it is going to replace with a new string. So it is going to verify a string in a main string. If it is available, it is going to replace with a new string. So now I'm mentioning that employee name is a column and I want to search small I. If it is available, I want to update, let's assume an XYZ, enter. You can verify that wherever there is a small I, it was replaced with XYZ. And you can observe in the first value Srinivas, like I was repeated twice, so XYZ was repeated twice. So substitute function is going to search the given string whatever I provided as I. If it is available, it is going to replace with a new value. There are some scenarios you will have a requirement. You need to replace with a new value, but not based on the existing old value, based on a specific position. Like you may have a requirement from a second character to 3 characters, you need to replace with something else. In that scenario, we are going to use a replace. So I am using a replace. What is the old text, that employee name, what is the starting position? You need to specify the position. From a third position, 2 characters I want to replace with a capital ABC. You can verify that from a third position a new string was placed. Only from a third position, as part of a Santosh, NT was replaced with ABC and OSH is available as is. So whenever you need to replace based on the old text, you need to use a substitute. Whenever you need to replace based on the position and number of characters, you need to use a replace. Like as part of SQL Server, we used to call it as a stuffing. So stuff is a function we have. So we used to call this as a stuffing. So replace is going to perform a stuffing activity. So this is what the difference between a replace and substitute. So if you have any questions on the same, you can comment on a comment section. Thanks much for watching.